So hi, hello beautiful people. How are you? So guys, there is one airplane who is currently passing through up there and it makes a lot of noise. So guys, I am standing now in the walkways in the river front. So this is the lower part of the Atala Bridge. So guys, this walkways is from connecting from both the side of the river banks. So guys, right now it's very hot, but still I'm standing. It's so hot, guys. So I'm working, guys, and right now they are currently cleaning the river. So guys, they are cleaning the river right now. So they are using a machine called floating truss skimmers machine. So guys, behind me, as you can see, they are there. They are right there and they are cleaning the river. So as you can see, guys, that is the floating truss skimmers machine. So it's a really good for cleaning, guys, especially in the river. So guys, as you can see, this is truss skimmers, guys. There is one crane over there enjoying the ride with them while they are cleaning. So it's a really lovely crane, guys. It's like the crane is piloting the machine, guys, because the crane was in front of the machine. So it is a really lovely crane, guys. So guys, the riverfront has adapted the process of cleaning the river by using floating truss skimmer machine. So the skimmer machine is able to gather the waste that is floating as it is on a shallow dips only. So guys, today the river has been clean and the ecosystem has plunged back to greenery and varied species of migratory birds is seen in the river. One example of that, guy, is that crane, guys. So how they clean the Sabarmati riverfront? So guys, it involves the construction of walkways, gardens, park and recreational facilities, along with sewage treatment plants to treat and manage wastewater. So this is to stop the pollution in the river, especially those untreated sewage and the industrial sewage system. So guys, they are using interceptors sewers to stop this and to clean the river. So guys, as you can see, guys, all over the river they are going to clean. See, as you can see, guys, it's a lovely scene. They are going over there and that side, and see this crow also, guys. It's trying to pick that still, guys, but it's so hard, maybe. This crow is very funny, guys. Yes, you can see, guys, there is crow, there is pigeons also, guys. As you can see, this is all the walkways, walk path going up in the Atal Bridge, but guys, they are closing those. So see these pigeons as well also, guys. It's a really lovely one. So guys, this is all about the Atal Bridge. So this is when you go down, you can see a lot of beautiful views also. So guys, here in this walkways, you can cycle as well. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you have a great